In this video, I'll be going over how to round decimals to the nearest tenth place. The first step that we want to do is to locate the tenth place of the decimal. Then secondly, we will look one space to the right. From there, we want to check the number if it is 4 or less. We do nothing. If it's 5 or more, we will increase the tenth place by 1. Below are 3 examples. First one is 2.59. So the first step is to locate the tenth place, which is 5. Next, we look for one space to the right. In this case, we have 9. Since 9 is 5 or more, so therefore we need to increase the tenth place by 1. So it would then look something like this, 2.6. And notice how the hundredths place value, 9, is no longer there. It increased by 1 and then it's gone. The answer needs to be decimal with tenth place only. So 2.6 would be the answer in this case. Now example number 2, we have 3.657. So we're going to locate the tenth value. So we're going to locate the tenth place. In this case, it's 6. Then we're going to look one space to the right. Okay, and we see 5 is the hundredths place. 5 will fall under 5 or more category. So we need to increase again by 1. So 5 need to increase the 6 by 1. So it will become 3.7. And that's the final answer. On a separate note, you'll see that not only the 5 no longer there, but the 7 is gone as well. So everything that's after 10th place will all be completely gone. Same way with the previous example, everything behind the 10th value are no longer there. Now, looking at example number 3, we have 4.7892. So looking at the 10th place, we have 7. And then we'll look one space to the right. In this case, it's 8. So again, this would be 5 or more. So we're going to increase 1 for the 10th place. And so this will become 4.8. And everything behind, again, are gone. So the answer is 4.8. So these 3 examples are how you would handle rounding decimals to the nearest tenth value. We'll also have a video on rounding decimals to the hundredths value, and you can find them in the comment section of this video. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.